What's going on YouTube? Today we're here to look at Spigen's Liquid Air. This is for the iPhone 13, the Pro Max version. We're going to take a look and see what we got. So I got the Spigen Case here. This is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7 inch version. I'm going to do kind of a quick unboxing and kind of take a good look at this case and let y'all know the good and the bad with it and see if it might be a good fit for you. So this case is fairly inexpensive and I picked it up at Amazon. I'll put a link below. And this is made from Spigen. This is a black one. This is for the 6.7 2021 and it's called the Liquid Air. So let's zoom in right here. I like to show the box if I can, if it's got good stuff on there. So as we're looking at it, we can see that it's the slim design for the perfect grip. It is form fitted for the device and it offers perfect protection. So we're going to see what that's about. Also, it's made in South Korea, and then there's the manufacturer model number. And you can see this is manufactured back in August, so that's pretty interesting. And this is matte black, so it's a non-glossy version, and that's kind of what I really like. Kind of like how the pictures looked on this. So if it's actually a matte black, that would be really nice instead of having kind of a glossy, or them glossy looks on some of them cases. I really don't like that. I like to have kind of a stealthy look if it's at all possible. Let me get this out of here and see. And not much in the box, and not really expecting much with this type of case. Now this case doesn't use any of the little sticky tabs or anything like this. It fits just snugly on the case itself. So I like the little cushion design on the inside. And let's take a look and see what this matte finish is. Oh, that's really nice. It's like little tiny diamonds everywhere. And let's see the back here, the inside. And that is probably part of the cushion system. And now these corners have air pocket cushions. So if you drop it in the corners, it's going to have a little impact of air, and that seems to be the best protection that you can get right now. I really like these button slots, and I like the sides. The sides have a textured feel to them. And the cutouts look really nice too. It's kind of soft and spongy. The sides are. The fit for this should be really good. And I do like the look of this. And those are all the little lines, so like if you drop it, it'll kind of shrink up and absorb in them spots. Let's see how it fits. It should fit really good being a Spigen case. Look at that, that looks nice. I'm gonna wipe it off here. Get all my little paw prints off here. And it does feel really good. I can tell you right now, it's slippery. It doesn't have much grip on the back. I bet I'll get more grip on the screen than I do that. But I don't think this is like the back's supposed to be very grippy, but the sides do feel pretty grippy. You can see they got them lines there. Let me get a little shot of the camera here. And the camera bump looks really nice. This is one of the better camera bumps I've seen on the iPhone. It's kind of like beveled in and out. It's not blocking the camera. It looks really nice. It's just recessed in just enough. Here's the buttons. You can get to that really good. Rocker volume looks good. And the speakers cutout's perfect. And the power lightning cable charger right there is perfect also. It's really nice. That looks real nice. I like the look of this. So I can tell you right now, the favorite thing about this case for me is this look. I like this kind of dull matte look. You can see they got like little diagonal designs on the sides, and that kind of gives you probably that grip. And the sides do feel softer than the back. So let's see how it fits on the table here. This feels pretty good this way. It's perfectly flat. Let's see how bad the camera bump is. And we do have a pretty good amount of rocking. So if you're trying to use that on the table, it'll probably be rocking back and forth. Unfortunately, you can see how much that is. And that's due to that camera bump. Not much we can do about that. price we pay for that nice camera on there. But it feels really good, and I really like the look of this. Look at that. That looks slick. Super sharp, clean, nice matte color. So far out of these iPhone cases, this is the best looking case I've seen. It's definitely the best case. As far as how it looks, I think it is. I think it's sexy. I think it's nice and clean. Alright, I'm gonna try this grip test. Look at, let's see. This is how I always do them. Look at it, slips right off. There's like no grip in the back. So keep that in mind. Look, I got more grip on the glass than I do on the actual case itself. Now the sides probably have a little more grip. When I pick it up, it feels like it's, like if I squeeze it a little bit, it's nice and soft. So I think it's actually really good. So wipe this off one more time. So the bad thing about this phone case is it rocks on the bottom when you lay it down flat, but that's okay. You know, can't really do much about that. And it's very slippery on the back. The bonuses of this case, it is probably the best looking case I've seen so far. As far as it being clean, looks really good. I like the diagonal design on there, and I think this is an excellent case for the money. It's fairly inexpensive, so I'm going to drop a link below and see if this is a good fit for you. Well, I really do appreciate all the support. Drop some comments in the below, and we will see y'all next time.